Hey friends, we're ready to work on lesson 4.3, hands-on, using place value to multiply. That's what we're going to learn about today. All right, so let's see. Problem of the day we're going to do in class together. So Grace and her friends are at the mall. They see 3 rows of parked cars, and there are 23 cars in each row. How many cars are there altogether? So remember, friends, we talk about looking at those keywords. Here I see there's each and altogether. Each, remember, tells me I'm either multiplying or dividing. But you have to read the rest of the problem and understand what it's asking to know which one to do. In this case, they want to know all together. That means you're looking for a larger number. You're putting it all together. Dividing would be an option where you're taking things apart. And we're not taking things apart in this word problem. We're putting them together. So circle the ones, count the number of ones. So if we use our base 10 blocks, right, we have these ones. So let's circle our ones here. 3, 6, 9. So they want you to write here 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 9. Okay, this is, we're multiplying this using models. And these are our models. These base 10 is one way of showing models. So we added our ones together. Now we're going to circle the tens, count the number of tens. So here we have 10 plus 10 is 20. 10 plus 10 is 20. 10 plus 10 is 20. And that equals 60. So from above, remember we had 3. This is actually in your math book, friends. 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 9 on the slide right before. So in the ones place, we had a 9, right? In the tens place, we have 60. So 3 times 23 equals 69. So Grace and her friends see 69 cars. Today, friends, this is what we're working with, this modeling multiplication, using place value to model. Circle the tens, count the number of tens. Let's try another one. In this case, they're having us do 2 times 32. So see here that there are 32, and 32. There's where you get the 2 because there's 2 of them, right? There's 2 sets of 32. So 32 times 2 can be modeled by laying out 2 sets of 32. And in this case, our tens, we have 3, 30 plus 30, that's 60 or 6 tens. And our ones, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So 2 times 32 equals 64. That makes sense. And we just showed it with models. All right, so we're going to use the toolkit or blocks to model each problem then solve. First, you have to model each problem. And I'm going to show you how to get to the toolkit in your ConnectEd. So first, you have to go to ConnectEd. You have to log in and go to your math. And then you're going to click over here on menu. And when you click menu, you get this bar you get an option for e-toolkit. So you click there, e-toolkit. And you see down here at the bottom, it says e-tools. So you want to click on e-tools, and it brings up this navigation bar on the side. Let me make this a little bit bigger. And I'm looking for, oh, there we go, base 10 blocks. Okay, so base 10 blocks. My question was, what was my question over here? Oh, 16 times 5. So I'm in my toolkit, got my base 10 blocks, 16 times 5. So I'm going to do, let's do 16. There's 1. And let me see, I want to do 5. Look at this. Watch this. Check this out. It's kind of cool. 5. 16. Wait, that's not right. I said 16 times 5. So I need to make this 16 times 5. So I need to duplicate this 5 times. So 1, and then I need 6 ones. 16. There's 2. I need 5 of them, remember? Whoa, that's not right. Let me get rid of that. I can do that, and nope, that's not what I wanted to do. I want to get rid of that. And I think my head is in the way. It is. So I'm going to drag this down here to the trash can. Okay. So I made the mistake of having the 6 on. So I want 1, 10, 6 ones. So there's 3. Remember, I need 16 times 5. This is modeling 16 times 3. So let's go back and do 110. And 6 ones for 16. So there's 16 times 4, but I need 16 times 5. 1, and I need 6 ones, 16, times 5. So model it, and then it says to model it and then solve. So we modeled it. Now we're going to solve. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So I'm going to go back over here and I'm going to write 50. Just make some notes here. So we have 50. And then we need to see how many ones do we have. So let's count. We have 6. So we have 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. Remember that multiplication is just repeated addition. So what I really have here is 6 times 5. 6 times 5. So if I go back here, 6 times 5 is 30. So I need to combine all those together. So I really have 50 plus 30, and that equals, well, 5 plus 3 is 8. 80 equals 80. Good. Okay, let's go back to our toolkit. We want to do 33 times 4. So I am going to, let's see. Is there a way for me to start a whole new page? I don't know. Let me delete my writing. I don't think there's a way. I might just highlight all this and then drag it to the trash. Can I do that? Can I? Did it work? Yes, it did. Oh, I missed these 2. All right. All right, what did I say? 33 times 4. Okay, so I want 3 10s. Oh, this one's going to be 3 10s and 3 1s. 33. And I need 4 of them. So there's 33. There's 2. I need 3 and 4. 33 times 4. Do you see how there are 4 groups, 4 sets of 33? Okay, now let's put them all together. So I have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I have 12 sets of 10. So really 12 times 10 is 120. Okay? Now let's count our ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I need to add 12 to that. And I get 132. So 33 times 4 is 132. I want you to pause this video, and then I want you to figure out this problem by yourself. Now you can either draw the base 10 blocks and cubes on your whiteboard, or you can open up the toolkit and give it a try. So go ahead and hit pause. All right, so let's see if you got it right. 51 times 3. Let me go back to my toolkit here. And I want to grab all these and throw them in the trash. Throw them in the trash. Now, what did I say it was? 51 times 3. Okay, so I need 5 sets of 10. 51. Let me do this. Watch. 2, 3. And I need ones now. 50. That's only 50. So 51. 51. 51. Okay. What I'm seeing here, though, is 5, 5, 5. So 50, 50, 50, and 50. 50 plus 50 is 100. Plus another 50 is 150. And then don't forget about our ones. We have 1, 2, 3. 150 plus 3 equals 153. Did you get 153? Nice job. Whoa, that 3 got out of hand, didn't it? Out of control, that 3. All right, let's open up our math books to page 210. 210. Pause the video, go get your math book, and then start it when you're ready. All right, here we go. How would you model 2 times 22? Now, in our math book, they want us to actually draw the model. So if you want to use the toolkit to kind of get it set up, you can, but then you need to copy that drawing into your math book. And this is how you do that. So I'm going to find my mouse. There it is. And I'm going to draw. How would you model 2 times 22? Well, here's 10, 20, 1, 2. 10, 20, 1, 2. So there is how you model 2 times 22. Do you see how there are 2 sets? 2 sets of 22. Great. Okay, and then you don't need to answer this, but just think, would you rather use base 10 blocks, counters, or mental math to model activity 1? This is activity 1. I wouldn't want to use counters because I'd have to count out 44 counters. That's a lot. Whereas base 10 blocks, I can just do 10, 20, 2, 1022. Or mental math, you can just double this number when you're multiplying by 2. All right, great. That's all we have for today, friends. Go to Schoology, check out which page you're supposed to do, what numbers you're supposed to do. Remember, if you need help, come back onto the live learning session and I will help you. Don't forget to do your exit ticket. All right, friends. It's been fun. I'll see you soon.